Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Moz for site audits, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Moz website at www.moz.com. On the homepage, locate the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be redirected to a page where you can choose your plan. Review the plan options available. Select the plan that best suits your needs. If you are unsure, consider starting with a free trial. Once you have selected a plan, click on the Start Your Free Trial button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address and create a password. Make sure your password is strong to protect your account. After entering your information, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a verification email to confirm your registration. Check your email inbox for a message from Moz. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once your email is verified, return to the Moz website. Log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, navigate to the Site Audits section in the dashboard. Enter the URL of the website you wish to audit. Click on the Run Audit button to start the process. Wait for the audit to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the audit is finished, review the results presented. Explore the insights and recommendations provided by Moz. Use this information to improve your website's performance. If needed, revisit the Site Audit feature regularly for updates. Keep your account details secure for future access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.